5 Myths about Certified SEPA Payments debunked by Commercio.network's ePay, Sustainability, and Sustainable Blockchain Network. We are doing daily tutorials, trying our best to simplify a complex subject like blockchain. It's not easy. If you like what we are doing, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Your support means the world to us and helps us to continue creating the blockchain videos you love. In today's world, digital payments have become an essential aspect of conducting business transactions. With the increasing demand for secure and efficient payment solutions, there is a growing need for certified payment systems that comply with relevant regulations. Commercio.network is a blockchain that offers a wide range of services, including identity management and payment solutions. The platform's ePay solution is designed to provide businesses with a secure and efficient way to make certified SEPA payments. In this tutorial, we will explain how Commercio.network's ePay solution can help businesses make certified SEPA payments. SEPA, or the Single Euro Payments Area, is a payment integration initiative that aims to create a single market for euro payments. SEPA payments are bank-to-bank transfers in euros that comply with specific technical and legal requirements, such as the European Payment Council's (EPC) SEPA Credit Transfer (SCT) scheme. Commercio.network's ePay solution is designed to provide businesses with a certified SEPA payment system that complies with all relevant regulations, such as PSD2 and GDPR. The solution uses advanced encryption and authentication protocols to ensure that the payment process is secure and efficient. The ePay solution is also designed to be compliant with all relevant regulations, such as PSD2 and GDPR. This means that businesses can ensure that they comply with all relevant regulations, without any legal complications. This can help businesses save time and money on legal fees, as they can be sure that their payment processes are compliant with regulations. Furthermore, the ePay solution can help businesses save money on payment processing costs. Payment processing costs associated with certified SEPA payments can be expensive, especially for small and medium-sized businesses. Commercio.network's ePay solution provides businesses with a cost-effective way to process certified SEPA payments. The solution eliminates the need for businesses to invest in expensive payment processing systems, which can be time-consuming and costly. Instead, the solution provides businesses with an efficient and automated way to process certified SEPA payments. This can help businesses save time and money, enabling them to focus on other important aspects of their operations. Commercio.network's ePay solution is also designed to provide businesses with transparency and traceability. The solution provides businesses with real-time tracking and monitoring of payment transactions, making it easy to track payments and ensure that they are processed correctly. Thank you for watching. Get in touch with us or sign up on Commercio.app.